According to legend, each year in midsummer and midwinter, the Holly King and Oak King fight. The Holly King is strongest in midsummer and the Oak King in midwinter.
During the fight, where they're at their strongest, one sibling kills his twin, who rests in Arianera, the goddess of reincarnation, in the castle of Ser Arianera,
until his return at the next change of seasons.
Brother, you have returned.
Every year I do persist, O noblest Holly King.
And I wait whole years to see you gone. My, it has been too long.
Not as long as usual. I feel that summer has been early these past few years.
And winter short.
It's the humans, you know. They've done things. Balance is shifted. I feel it in my veins like fire.
It's strength, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Do you like it?
No.
I feel sickly.
I know.
How?
Your hair, it's begun to gray. And you look dreadful. Has it begun months without sleep?
I have. Each night when I retreat into the holly leaves and into the snow and frost, it feels like I'm burning, as if I played in a river with hemlock in its waves. It keeps getting worse, but now, it's never been this bad.
I'm sorry. The sky has suffered too.
It's darker. There are more clouds.
Not real clouds, you know.
Fake clouds.
Humans put them there.
Did they put shadows in water too?
I suppose. The wind says it's all related. Something about what goes up must come down. There was silence. I got distracted.
You're always distracted.
Not always.
No, not always.
How bad is it?
Bad.
Is this?
You think so?
Sometimes, when you're gone, I look into the constellations. When I come to this glade where no mortal has walked, I see them shining. I search for your soul in the wheel of stars.
I know. I've seen you.
Will you see me then?
I don't know. It may be the same or maybe different. So much is different now.
Will you give greetings to Arianera?
Will I see her? If I'm not coming back.
Don't say it.
I'm sorry.
You shouldn't be sorry. They should.
They who?
You know who.
Yes. I do.
We ought to get on with it then. The season should be changing soon.
On with it then. My, this is difficult. I feel as if I might as well lay down my weapon.
Don't make this worse. I won't kill you in cold blood.
Cold?
Figure of speech.
I feel my breath. It's fading.
Don't! Please don't!
It's true. You see?
The snow is melting beneath our feet.
The summer plants need warmth to grow.
One of these years they won't make it. Even desert willows die, their leaves fall torrid.
It's not really fair, is it?
No, but it never was.
I will the cold when it does not come. The ice is all but gone.
The birds are
They are happy.
I guess someone should be.
Yes, always.
No, not yet. It's too soon. There are too many.
Too many?
Too many things I wanted to say.
Then say them now.
I can't.
I know the feeling.
You're wonderful, you know. I always envied winter.
Did you?
Yes. It was magical.
I'm glad. I was quite proud of it.
I loved the way the frost formed. There was always patterns in the ice, like the walls of Arianerod.
So someone noticed. I was quite fond of those walls. It's not a bad place to spend eternity. Perhaps a bit like heaven.
People ever get to heaven?
I think they used to.
Not anymore?
Oh, I don't know. It's not my job.
Right. Of course.
It's time. I think the chill has left the air, and there are flowers beneath the ground. I sense them, fighting their way out.
As do I.
Come then.
It feels wrong to think that it ends here.
What will the humans say when I don't return? Perhaps they'll regret. That would be nice. It would mean they cared. Not cared. Noticed. I hope they notice.
I believe the world will weep.
How odd that such a sad thought could make me feel better.
I will look for you in the stars. I will gaze upon your soul in the aurora borealis.
And I will see you from the silver wheel. Now come. Don't hesitate.
I will don these trees with wreaths of holly. When midwinter comes again.
And it will be as lovely as the stars.